Hi there, it's Furman with DIY Pioneer Guy. Thanks for joining me for today's episode of DIY Pioneer Guy. And so in today's episode, we're going to be going over how to make an oven buddy. What's an oven buddy, you say? Well, it's just something to help you push and pull pots and pans and everything in the oven without getting your hands burned. Here's an example of one I created for today's episode. Here's another one. Again, you can see the common scenarios. They got a push section there to catch and a pull section to pull. Stay tuned and I'll show you guys how to make these. Okay, so for today, one of the first things we're going to do is we're going to draw out the shape of our oven buddy on the stick that we're going to be using. So with this particular stick, we're just going to do a little V-notch over here. That's one section of it, and for the other one we're going to make a cutout, maybe about yay far, so that we can pull it back. Again, this is not perfect, but it kind of gives you an idea of what we're going to be doing. That'll be enough for us to be able to pull something back and push something in, push it in the groove if we need to. And that's it. So we're just going to cut this out, and that should give us the stick we need. Okay. So here goes. It's done. Sand it down. Nice. So at this point I'm actually just going to go ahead and oil it up to kind of protect it. I've seen some people paint it before. Draw little things on it and whatnot. I'm just going to oil it up. And another completed project. Alright, so here's our oven buddy at work. Essentially, here's it's oiled up. We would be using this. Pushing it out. Pulling it in, whatever the circumstance may be. And there you have an oven buddy. One way to make sure you don't burn your hands.